Namaste. In the last class, we have studied three-dimensional shapes or 3D shapes. Another name of 3D shape is solid shape. 5 three-dimensional shapes we have studied. Which are they? Yes, cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about parts of a circle. This is a circle. Then boundary of this circle is called circumference. This boundary is called what? Circumference. What is that? This boundary is called circumference. Circumference. Boundary of a circle is called circumference. Okay. And see the definition of circumference. The boundary of a circle is called its circumference. The boundary of a circle is called its circumference. Then the point O is called center of the circle. Once again, the boundary of a circle. What is called circumference? Boundary of a circle is called its circumference. Then what is called center? The point O is called. This point O is called. O is the center of the circle. Point O is the center of the circle. Okay. Then next one is the line joining the center to any point on the circumference is called a radius. Line joining center to any point. Center to any point in the on the circumference. Center to any point on the circumference is called a radius. What is called a radius? Line joining center to any point on the circumference is called a radius. This distance is called a radius. From the center to this circumference, any point on the circumference is called the radius. And next one is the line joining any two points on the circumference that passes through the center is called a diameter. What is called diameter? Line joining any two points on the circumference. This is the circumference. This line joining any two points on this circumference that passes through the center. This line passes through the center. O. Center is called a diameter. The line joining any two points on the circumference. This is the circumference. Line joining any two points. Then this line passes through this center O is called diameter. Once again, the point this O is called, this point is called center of the circle. Then circumference is the boundary of the circle is called the circumference. Then a radius. Line joining any point on the circumference and the center O is called the radius. This line joining any two points on the circumference, any two points on the circumference that passes through this center O is called the diameter.
See, parts of a circle are circumference, a diameter, center, a radius. See, the boundary of a circle is called its circumference. Boundary of a circle, this is the boundary. Boundary of a circle is called its circumference. Then the point O is the center of the circle. The point O is the center of the circle. This is the point. This point O is the center of the circle. Then line joining the center to any point on the circumference is called a radius. Line joining the center to any point on the circumference. Line joining the center to any point on the circumference. This is the circumference. Line joining center to any point on the circumference is called radius. What is called radius? Line joining center to any point on the circumference. This is a circumference. Circumference is called radius. Diameter. The line joining any two points on the circumference that passes through the center is called a diameter. Line joining any two points on the circumference that passes through the center is called the diameter. That passes through the center is called the diameter. It passes through this center. Okay. Line joining any two points on the circumference that passes through this center, that is called diameter. Then once again, boundary of a circle is called circumference. Then this point O is the center of the circle. Then line joining the center to any point on the circumference. Line joining the center to any point on the circumference. Center to any point on the circumference, that is radius. Then a line joining any two points on the circumference that passes through the center is called a diameter. Line joining any two points on the circumference, that line passes through the center is called a diameter. Next, definition of point, line, line segment and ray. First one is point. Definition of point. What is called point? See, a point is an exact location. Exact location means, exact means accurate, correct. Location means place, correct place. On a plane surface, it is denoted by a dot. The dot O represents a point. Okay. A point is an exact location, correct, accurate. Exact location means accurate position, correct position. Okay. Point is an exact location on a plane surface. It is denoted by a dot. Point, this dot is the point. The dot O represents a point. This dot O represents point. Next, definition of line. What is line? A line may be considered as a series of points which extends endlessly in both directions. It has a length but no breadth. Line may be considered as a series of points. What is meant by series of points? Series of points means this way. Point, 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 point. Continuously coming the points. That is a series of points which extends endlessly in both directions. These points, this one is extends endlessly, no end, endlessly in both the directions. This arrow mark means both the sides have no end. Both the sides will go continuously. It has a length but it has no breadth. The figure shows line AB or AB this sign denotes line. This sign denotes line. And line AB, short form of line AB is this one. Okay. Once again listen. Line, definition of line is, line may be considered as a series of points. It means this line has so many points which extends endlessly in both directions, which extends endlessly. This line, this side also, this side has no end. It will go continuously. Here also no end, it will go continuously. This arrow mark means no end. Here this arrow mark also means no end. It has a length but no breadth. It has length but no breadth. The figure show line AB. This figure is a line AB. Short form of line AB is, this sign is a line AB. Next definition is a line segment. A line segment is a part of a line. Line segment is a part of a line. This line has no end point. In both the directions have no end point. Line, the part of a line is line segment. This part is line segment. Okay, part of a line is a line segment, and part of a line, and has a fixed length. It has a fixed length. It has a fixed length. Okay. It has two fixed endpoints. It has two fixed endpoints. Okay, but the line has no fixed endpoint. It has endpoints. Okay. Then figure shows line segment EF, or line segment, short form of line segment is this one. The figure shows line segment EF. See, this line shows line segment EF, short form of line segment EF. But in line, the sign has both the directions have arrow mark. That means this line has no end points. But a line segment, it has no arrow. That means it has both the directions have end points. Okay. Once again, a line segment is a part of a line and has fixed lengths. This is a length. It has two fixed endpoints. It has two fixed endpoints. The figure shows a line segment EF, or short form of line segment EF. Array. Okay. See, array is a part of a line that extends endlessly in one direction. Array is a part of a line. See, array is a part of a line. Array is a part of a line that extends endlessly in one direction. But a line in both the directions have no ends. In array, only one direction has no end. One direction has end points, but another direction has no end points. Line segments, both the directions have end points. Line has both the directions have no end points, but in array, one direction has end points and another one has no end point. Okay, see, it has one fixed end point. It has only one fixed end point. Other side will extend continuously. Okay, the figure shows ray GH. Figure shows ray GH. Short form of ray is ray GH. This arrow means one side will extend continuously, other side has end point. Okay, this is ray GH. Short form of this ray GH is this one. Okay, see the four definitions once again. First one, point. Point is an exact location on a plane surface. Exact location on a plane surface. It is denoted by dot, and the dot O represents a point. The next one, line. Line has both the directions have no end point. Both the direction will extend continuously, no end point. It shows line AB. Short form of line AB is this line shows this symbol shows line AB. In line segment, both the directions have end point. Then it has two fixed end points and has a fixed length. Okay. Then array is a part of a line that extends endlessly in one direction. That one also part of a line, but the line has both the directions have no end points, but in array only one direction has no end points, other direction has end points. Line segments, both the directions have end points. Okay, then it has one fixed point, that is end point, and that extends endlessly in one direction. One direction, there is no end point. The figure shows ray GH. Short form of ray GH is, this is the sign of ray. Ray GH. That means one side it has end point, other side no end point. This one also a short form of line segment EF. This means both the directions have end points. This is the short form of line AB. That means these arrows means both the directions have no end points. Okay.
Today we have studied parts of a circle and definitions of point, line, line segment and array. Namaste.